Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we started basic geometrical concepts and we discussed some concepts in the previous class. Today, let us see about angle. What is angle? What is angle? Two different rays having a common initial point is called an angle. Two different rays having a common initial point. I'll take like this. See, this is one ray. Ray means already I told you having one end point, one fixed point, and other side is extending indefinitely. So this I'll take OA. OA ray is one ray. Another ray with the same initial point I am taking like this. This is B. OB also another ray. So this angle, this is called angle AOB. Angle AOB. How do we read this? Angle AOB. That is angle. Two rays having common initial point. This is called an angle. Okay. Angle AOB, or we can write angle BOA also. Nothing will happen. Both are same. Angle AOB or angle BOA. Okay, no problem. Now, two different rays having a common initial point is called angle. Let us see now types of angles. What are the types of angles? We have some types here. Types of angles. First one is acute angle. First type is acute angle. Acute angle. What is acute angle? An angle of less than. You know how to measure an angle? You have seen in the previous class. We use protractor to measure an angle, right? Do you remember? What do we use to measure an angle? Protractor, right? Protractor we are going to use to measure angle. An angle of less than 90 degrees is known as an acute angle. An acute angle. Below 90 degrees, if you have, for example, you take like this. 90 means exactly straight like this. Okay? So this is AOB, an acute angle. Otherwise we can take like this also. little like this. Not straight, little. So this is also an acute angle. Okay. Otherwise we can take downward also, no problem, like this. This is an acute angle. Okay. This is OAB. So these are the examples for an acute angle. Below 90 degrees, above 0 degrees. Above 0 degrees, that means lying between 0 and 90. Lying between 0 and 90. All the angles are called acute angles. Right? Next comes What is an acute angle? Below 90, above 0. Okay. Suppose next one is right angle. Second one is right angle. Right angle. Right angle means exactly 90 degrees. An angle of 90 degrees. An angle of 90 degrees is known as a right angle. An angle of 90 degrees is known as a right angle. Okay, that means exactly 90 degrees should be there. So like this. Exactly 90 degrees. Like this. AOB. Exactly 90 degrees. This should be exactly 90 degrees. Otherwise downward also you can draw like this. So this is exactly 90 degrees. AOB. 90 degrees. Okay. Otherwise you can take like this also. Like this also. This is 90 degrees. Angle AOB. Okay. Suppose if the angle between the two rays is 90 degrees, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. If the angle between the two rays is 90 degrees, this is perpendicular to this ray. This is perpendicular to this ray. This ray perpendicular to this ray. So, if the angle between them is 90 degrees, acute means what did I say? Below 90. Exactly 90 means what type of it is? Right angle. Okay. Next comes obtuse angle. Above 90 degrees. This is what? Obtuse angle. Third angle is obtuse. Obtuse angle. Pronunciation is very, very important. Obtuse angle. An angle of more than 90 degrees. An angle of more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. But less than 180 degrees is known as obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means above 90 but below 180. Okay, like this it will be. It is 90 now, exactly straight, so little bending this side. AOB. This is called obtuse angle. For example, 110 degrees. Above 90 degrees, right? Below 180 degrees. Suppose if it is this side, you can take like this. AOB. Okay. 135 degrees. Okay, above 90 degrees. For example, if you want to draw downward also you can draw, no problem. This is 150 degrees. Okay, POQ. So that is an obtuse angle, right? Fourth angle is straight angle. Straight angle or straight line angle, no problem. Exactly 180 degrees is known as straight angle. That means an angle of 180 degrees. An angle of 180 degrees is known as a straight angle. Is known as a straight angle. Means exactly 180 degrees, like this. So this is O, this is AB. So this is called 180 degrees, right? It is straight angle. You can take any other direction also, no problem. Okay, that means a straight angle means I can take 2 times 90 degrees. So one straight angle means you can take 2 right angles. 2 right angles. One right angle means what? One right angle means 90 degrees. 2 right angles means 2 90s, 180 degrees. Okay, that way you can write. Fifth one is reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle. Reflex angle. Fifth one is reflex angle. What is meant by reflex angle? An angle of more than 180 degrees. An angle of more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. But less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. Is called a reflex angle. Is called a reflex angle, right? So that is 180 more than 180. That is called reflex angle. But below 360. Above 180 but below 360. That is called reflex angle. We can take like this. So like this I can take. This is reflex angle. Or we can take this side also, no problem. For example, this can I take like this, 210 degrees. This is A, O, B. Similarly here A, O, B. Here also this is reflex angle. That is, for example, 320 degrees. Above 180 but below 360. That is called reflex angle. So far how many types we have seen? Let me explain once again. First one is acute angle. Second one is right angle. Third one is an obtuse angle. Fourth one is straight angle. Fifth one is reflex angle. Sixth one is complete angle. Next we will be getting complete angle. I will explain. See. Next comes complete angle. Complete angle, 6th one. Complete angle means measure of 360 degrees. Measure of exactly 360 degrees. That means 360 degrees means, can I write 4 into 90 degrees? That means 4 right angles. 4 right angles. Straight angle means what? Straight angle means only 2 right angles. But complete angle means we have 4 right angles, right? 4 right angles. Okay? Next comes the sum of the angles. Is a very important note. The sum of the angles around a point is always around a point is always 360 degrees. It's a very, very important concept. For example, you can take like this. For example, you can take like this, A, B, C, D. For example, angle AOB plus this one plus this one, angle BOC plus angle COD, angle COD plus angle AOD is equal to how much total angle? 360 degrees. The sum of the angles around a point is always 360 degrees. Okay. It's a very important concept. Remember that. Okay. Next comes adjacent angles. Important concept. Adjacent angles. Basic concepts. These all are basic concepts. Everybody should understand. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Side by side. Adjacent means two angles are said to be adjacent. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex. If they have a common vertex. If they have a common vertex. Vertices plural. Okay. Second one, they have one common arm. They have one common arm. Okay. ARM. Arm. Third one, the other arms of the angles. The other arms of the angles are on the opposite sides of the common arm. Opposite sides of the common arm. For example, you can see this. See here, three rays are having common initial point. This point is called the initial point, starting point. Okay. These are called arms or hands. Arms. Okay. See, they have common arm. This is common arm. This is A, B, C. OB is common arm. This is called common arm. Common arm for both OA and OB. This is called common vertex also. This. So these angles are called this one and this one. Angle AOB, angle AOB and angle BOC. Angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, right? Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means they should have common vertex O and they should have one common arm also. You can take like this example also. See this one. This is common arm for both A, O, B, C. OC is common arm and AOC and BOC are adjacent angles, right? Vertically opposite angles. Next, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles means, suppose if two straight lines are meeting at one common point. Easy to understand here. If two straight lines are meeting at one common point, then we have angles. Angles are formed here. See, see this one and this one. Vertically opposite angles. Angle BOD and angle AOC or COA, no problem. Angle BOD or DOB, angle AOC or COA, both are same. These are vertically opposite angles and their measures are equal always. They are always equal. One more is what? This one and this one. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. So, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Remember these concepts. Okay. So far we have what we have discussed: types of angles and adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles, and and anything else. That's all. So these are the points we have discussed today. So let us see some more in the next class. Thank you.